Trying to decide between a full-size keyboard and a more compact setup? Let me show you this two from NuPhy Node Series. NuPhy's anniversary summer sales is live, and the entire Node series is currently 10% off, making it even better value for anyone looking for their first mechanical keyboard. This is the Node 100. It has a full-size layout with a number pad, making it great for work, spreadsheets, and productivity. And this is the Node 75. It's more compact, saves desk space, and it still gives you all the essentials for the everyday typing. Both feature NuPhy's retro minimalist design and comfortable typing experience, and a touch bar for quick controls. Whether you're studying, working from home, or upgrading your desk setup, these are great beginner-friendly mechanical keyboards. So if you use the link in my comments, you'll get 10% off with orders over 100.